Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, level, gear, and materials, so you don't stall mid-process. Once confirmed, open the Latch menu and choose the Azure Awakening path. Make sure you reserve an Awakening slot. Next, insert 3 Azure shards plus 1 catalyst into the core ritual chamber. You're acting now to trigger the sequence. This initial injection primes the system and consumes the listed resources, which is why checking quantities beforehand saves time and avoids failed attempts. Once the core ritual accepts shards, you must execute the middle sequence precisely. Press and hold the Azure Latch for 6 seconds to start the infusion pulse. This timing aligns resonance phases, so don't rush. Monitor the stability meter, and if it approaches red, inject an elemental infusion to rebalance output. This prevents corruption. Then apply 1 stabilizer to secure the mid-phase and confirm to lock progress. These steps manage energy flow and achieve the correct alignment for awakening to progress. To finish, release the latch at the end of the stabilization window and insert the final catalyst, then confirm activation. This seals the awakening. After completion, verify new stats and any unlocked talents in the character sheet so you can adjust gear and skills. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by increasing overall stability. Retry with a higher stability value, add 1 extra stabilizer, and ensure you used full-quality Azure shards. This combination fixes most failed awakenings and prevents repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.